welcome you all to Artistic EP channel. This is another portrait drawing episode, and this emphasizes much on shading, how to shade a realistic face for beginners, right? So if you have the passion for drawing, I will encourage you to grab your seat and watch carefully and follow step by step for you to shade your drawing, right? And I have more videos also posted in this channel to guide you as a beginner to learn how to draw. This one is much on how to learn shading, all right? Yeah, so shading a realistic face. So I will encourage you to watch this video to an end and learn how to shade a realistic face. As the video is ongoing, I will talk to explain things that will be much baffling, all right? So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. If this is your first time watching this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel and be part of the family. We have a lot of portrait work which will be posted out here, and I have already also posted a lot of videos to guide you as a beginner to learn how to draw and also draw a realistic face, right, or a realistic image. So I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel and be part of the family. Your opinion is also required. If anything baffles your mind, kindly hit the comment section and bring out your opinions, alright? If you don't understand it, and if anything you want to me explain further for you, you can hit the subscribe, the comment section, and also bring your opinions. We will discuss, we will review and discuss for we all to get an understanding. Alright. Beginner here, I will encourage you to follow the video step by step. It will guide you for you to learn how to shade a realistic image or portrait work. Okay, so once again, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and be part of the family. At this point, we are done with the portrait work. And how do you see the image? Your comment is needed. Kindly hit the comment section and bring your remarks of the portrait work. How do you see the work? Anything you want to share with us so we can talk about. There's something which baffles your mind, let us know. At this point, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. This is our final review. Your remarks is needed. Kindly hit the comment section and let us know what you think about the video. Thank you.